I started thinking about making a piece that tracked this idea of immigrating from South Africa, particularly given the apartheid past of South Africa, and exploring not just the immigrant experience, but also the black South Africans' experience in South Africa, and how that then is mirrored, varied, and experienced once they become immigrants in another country. I was very, very fortunate to start working with the wonderful South African librettist Mkhululi Mabija. We refined the scenario together in a good bit of detail. He really understands theatre and he understands music as well, very, very deeply.
The show is about a person who is at a crucial kind of crossroads in his life. The opera resets back to his childhood. We were thinking about how do we allow a person to re-examine their life. And from that came this idea of an exhibition. They're reliving each of these important moments in their lives through the objects and through the spaces that those happened in.
We wanted to create a space to curate that character telling his own life story.
One of the key themes is to do with race, but from a kind of nuanced angle. The piece is like incredibly relevant. It's set sort of late 1980s, going into the 90s and stuff, but the relevance is still massive.
Let your voices ring for freedom. Let us work for a brighter dawn. Fill our streets with stomping feet.